If you want to get the front splits, then a really good way to get started is with an active front splits. This is going to create strength and flexibility in the hamstrings and hip flexors and create really good awareness that's going to transfer to your full front splits as you develop your flexibility.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use the active front splits at the start of the UMS program because we love isometric contractions to start people off with their flexibility training. Developing strength and flexibility through your range is very important. We don't like to work on just passive flexibility, especially not at the start of people's flexibility journey. It has a high risk of injury if you just develop passive flexibility. So by doing the active front splits, we're developing strength and flexibility all together. Make sure you stick around to the end so you learn the 3 coaching cues that we give for this movement so that you nail the right form and technique and develop true strength and flexibility hand in hand. Active front splits. We use this in phase 1 as it is a safe introduction to more advanced front splits progressions coming in later phases of the UMS. By isometrically contracting the muscles, we remain active, increasing strength whilst developing flexibility, which is much safer than passive stretching where the muscles are relaxed. When we stretch to our end ranges, the brain has inhibitors that prevent us going too far, so we avoid injury. The development of flexibility comes from delaying when these inhibitors kick in. This happens over time. You cannot rush the process. If you push to the point of pain, you stifle this process and you will experience plateau. Instead, work to a level of discomfort, but not to a point of pain. You will learn the difference between the two with more experience. Hi, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible, and fit. If you want to know how we do that, grab one of our free downloads. We've got a whole bunch of amazing blueprints that you can get if you click the link in the description. And if you want to get any of our programs for strength, flexibility, injury rehab, or calisthenics skills, you can click the link to see our library. And hey, if you're a driven person and you want to learn how to train in the gym or at home in workouts that take less than an hour that make you strong, flexible, and fit, you want to get access to our full UMS coaching program, there's a link in the description of this video for a 30-day free trial. Hope to see you in there soon. To set up, grab anything you can to support your balance. We like to use 2 dowel rods. Then, take a large step forward and pull your toes up towards you. Ensure your hips remain facing forward and knees are straight. Try to balance on your feet with little to no help from your hands once you are set up. Once set up, the 3 cues to think of are: keep knees straight, dorsiflex feet, hips face forward. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.